My younger brother is in grad school and never sleeps. I need to get him something for those puffy dark circles. Been there. Also have the perfect gift. Who is texting me? Ugh, it's my mom. My best friend at work always complains that her perfume never lasts. What should I get her? I have the perfect present. So from Nest, I have the Madagascar Vanilla Perfume Oils. Esto es el regalo perfecto because subtle vanilla scent. It's light, it's sweet, un poquito dulce, pero no muy fuerte. But it lasts, just the smallest drop lasts for such a long time. It's not overpowering. You can wear it by itself or layered with another fragrance. You can see you get a bottle as well as a little travel size roller ball. Mommy, your friend's going to love this. Perfecto. Who else is texting me now? Okay, my younger brother is in grad school and never sleeps. Been there. I need to get him something for those puffy dark circles. Also been there. Also have the perfect gift from Peter Thomas Roth. So this is the gift of bright eyes. You can see you have not one, not two, but 3 hydrogel sets in here. You have their gold, their collagen, and their hyaluronic acid. Where these are great is that, first of all, they're going to hydrate. So automatically, those under eyes are going to be nice, plump, juicy, hidratado. But also, especially if you put these in the fridge, they feel nice and cool on the under eye. So automatically the next morning, it's gonna look like you slept for an entire week. Descansado. Who's this now? Mi mejor amiguis. What is she saying? My niece is 13 and is just getting into makeup. I'm trying to be the favorite auntie. What should I get her? Okay, I think I have a good idea. So I have the Sparkly Clean Set from Sephora, and this is a good option. You have all the basics that you need for a cute little simple face. Algo sencillo, nada muy complicado. But actually, you know what? Let me just show you what's in here. And you have a lot of stuff in here. For example, for skin prep from Freck, this is their cactus water. It's going to help exfoliate, but make sure that everything she puts on top is going to go on smoothly and also great for teenage problematic skin. And then I'm wearing this one right now from Kosas. This is their eyebrow gel. You can see completely clear, but just holds the brows into place. It also helps give you that laminated brow look. You know, all the teenagers love that. From Rose Inc, Simple Mascara. Really, really nice at holding the lashes, holding the curl. And then if she wants to do a little eye look, nada muy complicado, pero something sencillo. From Say, this is their Dewy Blush. But what I love to do is take a little bit, dab it on the cheek. You can see really nice neutral color, nothing crazy. You can also put some on the eye for like a very subtle eye look. Super cute. And then for lips, you got 2 options. From Cali Ray, you have a little bit of like a tinted lip gloss. You know how much she loves her gloss. You can see just like a little lip balm, nicely nourishing, nothing crazy, nothing bold. But then if you want something a little bit extra, from Merit, we have a nice little lipstick, just like our moms used to wear back in the day. Yeah, nothing crazy, but everything to do a little simple face. I told you I had the hookup for your niece. This will be perfect for her. Ay, a ver, ¿qué dice mi hermana? Help, what do I get a friend who loves luxury? My budget is $100 max. Okay, a lot to work with there, but I have a great gift set just for this. Specifically, we're looking at skincare. If you love skincare and you love luxury, Tatcha marries those 2 worlds together. So you have 3 in this set. You also have a full-size moisturizer in here. First things first, you have the Furoshiki cloth wrap. And this is basically a multifunctional towel. I like to use this after the cleanser to just wipe that off. Great for taking off your makeup at the end of the day. Along with that, you have their rice cleanser. This is really nice, really luxury foaming feeling on the face. This is fragrance-free. Everything in here is fragrance-free, so it's great for sensitive skin types. It's gonna have a nice rich lather, and again, take it off with the cloth, makeup, sunscreen, everything from the day comes off with it. Then you have their Dewy Serum. And again, this kit is for the people who love glass skin. This is gonna give you that nice glow, really hydrate the skin, and then you just top it up with the Dewy Skin Cream. This is cult classic Tatcha product. This is full size, and like with every Tatcha product, you get the really cute spatula that goes on top. So this is the height of luxury, and it's all for less than $100. Who now? Okay, I should start charging for my advice now. My cousin has a self-care Sunday ritual. What should I get for him? Okay, well, I love a good self-care moment. And if you love an everything shower, have you heard of an everything masking session? From Sephora collection, we have literally a million masks for anything you might need, from your eyes to your hands to your face to your feet. This is perfect because, during the winter months, everyone gets a little dry. This is gonna hydrate and help to moisturize. Also, if you have a lot of people to shop for, these are great stocking stuffers or even for yourself. But just to show you what's inside real quick, you have hand masks and feet masks. These will get your hands on soft and your feet on smooth. And then you also have your face mask. With the face mask, what's really great about them is that they highlight the skin concern that you're addressing. So you have skin radiance and perfecting, you have soothing, you have exfoliating, and you even have eye masks in here. And who doesn't love a good, nourishing eye mask to get those eyes on plump and hydrated? Oh, they even got a hair mask in here. This coconut hair mask is gonna really help to nourish the hair, give you nice, silky, soft, really shiny hair. Look at all these masks, literally a mask from head to toe. And since I'm already giving away all this juicy information for free, completamente gratis, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to shop the shelf below. Ciao.